This doesn't look right. I'm embarrassing myself.
Yes, indeed.
Alright, hey everybody, welcome to my channel, welcome back to my channel, and I got something for y'all. For sure. So I'm gonna do an unboxing. I have been holding on to these packages for almost a month. First of all, my favorite thing to do is open packages. So for me to hold on to these for y'all, I must like y'all. I must rock with y'all. Because I can't really do too much talking right now. I really just need to open these packages. I got my box cutter. I do want to start off by saying I opened up like 2 of these boxes. I got a lot to pick from. Before I even cut into this, y'all need to go ahead and like the video. I'm already telling you, you're gonna like it. So just go ahead and press the button and go ahead and subscribe. Like, I'm trying to get my subscribers up. Let's do it. Come on. Rock with me. This one is from Bloomingdale's. Okay. So I ordered this foundation. I wear Lancome foundation. So I ordered that. I'll open it up for y'all too. And I ordered a MAC lip pencil. And they gave me a free gift. So a new Powder Kiss lipstick. I think I can try it. Oh. I'm not gonna try this. I'm not gonna lie to you. That look kind of crazy. This is from Bloomingdale's too. Let me just open these up together. Oh, I said I was gonna open my foundation so y'all can see. I get the shade 430 Bisque C. So this is the color. And then with the gold top. It's cute. Let me show y'all the MAC lip pencil too. Let me show y'all the MAC lip pencil. This is the color I've got. So I have been trying to like find a color that's going to be like a rosy pinkish color instead of all these browns. I have a lot of brown lip pencils, and I just wanted to try something different. The next one I want to do is a Bloomingdale's package also. Let me just lock this. There we go. So I ordered this Bobbi Brown hydrating face cream. I'm very excited because this is supposed to make your makeup look very flawless. And then this is how it looks. Am I gonna put some on now? How could I not? Come on now. You know me, you know. How could I not? Yes. How could I not? Come on, get it in. It feels very nice. So soft. I like that. Do I want to do my whole face? I do. I'm not going to. This is from Amazon. So I ordered some jewelry from Amazon because I'm bald-headed. I'm a Sagittarius. So I ordered my birthstone, which is blue topaz, I believe. I think that's what it is. I think I ordered 2 blue and 2 pinks. I really like pink diamonds. Can I afford pink diamonds right now? I haven't looked into it. So I don't like dangle. I need all studs. Give me all studs, please, because I'm gonna get irritated. I know y'all probably feel the same way sometimes. I'm gonna get irritated if something that's dangling on my ear. It's too heavy for my face. Like, it's just too heavy to me. So I ordered 2 pair of the same ones, but in 2 different colors. So I got a light pink, and then I got the blue topaz. That's really pretty. I like that. That pink on my skin probably hidden. Is it hidden? Is the pink gonna hit? Comment and let me know what y'all think. If the pink is gonna hit, which color y'all like best? So these are another pair of pink studs I got. I like these a lot. These look really pretty. I'm not gonna say everything looks really pretty. If it's shiny, I might. So everything was under 17. I'm gonna link everything in the description for y'all. I think that pink is gonna hit. I think the pink might be the color for me. Do I want to put them in now? I have to execute some self-control. So that's, I have one more pair. I'm going to link y'all in the description. I'm not going to do y'all dirty, I promise. These are much smaller than I expected. So I got these heart studs. They're like a royal blue, but they look very, very dark. Like they look black to me, maybe in this lighting. But when the light hits, you can see the blue. But this is much smaller than I expected to. It's really pretty. I'm so sorry for the wind, but it's hot. It's like 90 degrees today. Okay. I like them, but they're very small. Maybe they're for kids. I do think the color is very pretty. If you can see it. Oh man, I got so much. I don't know. I'm just excited. So I ordered a wig from the doula. I've been hearing a lot of good things about them. It comes in this bag, a nice little satin bag with the drawstrings. I've been hearing a lot of good stuff about the doula. The wig was very affordable, and it's a blonde wig. I have not tried a blonde wig. I've done black wigs before for sure. So it comes with a wig cap. But I like to use stockings, like a super sheer stocking for my wig cap. I like how the color's not super yellow. Ooh, I'm excited. This is nice. This is heavy. That's thick. That's healthy. I cannot wait. Look at this. It's so beautiful. Oh my goodness. I need to find some more adjectives. Pretty and beautiful. That's all I know. That joint. That's hidden. Am I gonna put it on? Of course I am. Oh yes. Oh, the blonde is for me. I'm liking it. What y'all think? Yeah. I'm looking around. My room is all mirrors, so I can look in the mirror and see how it looks. This doesn't look right. I'm embarrassing myself.
Yes, indeed.
I hope not. It has some nice parting too, I think. It got a lot of space. It got a lot of space. That's what I need, because I don't like having a 4x4. Give me that 5. Give me that 6 inches of parting space, please. Like how natural does it look to have 4 inches of apart? It doesn't look all the way bad, but it's just still. I'm excited about this. Even though I just dyed my hair, y'all. I want to put a wig on so bad. I don't know where the net went. Oh! It also has a strap, so I can put a strap in the back. It got hooks on it and everything, so that's perfect because I don't always sew the strap into the right place when I'm putting it in. I be hurting myself. I want to do this Berries package. So I know it's a Berries package from Berries NY because it got the symbol on it. I've been waiting on this package for a month. Hold on. So, stop the video. Did you not hear me before? I already asked you to go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. Did you press the button? Because I can see you. I know you didn't press the button yet. Press that button so we can get back to the video, please. I'll wait. I have all day. Like I was saying, for a long time it said it was just processing. And I already knew I had to wait a certain amount of time for them to fulfill the order. But when it was supposed to be shipped, it kept saying it was processing. I really like how the packaging looks. I've been waiting on this hoodie for a long time. Oh, it has a Berries pin. That's so nice. That's nice. That's like very thoughtful when like brands send you a little something. So I got the This shit ain't same. Oh my goodness. Okay, it has a front and a back. I was thirsty over this. I've been waiting on this for so long. I got this hoodie. I ordered from them. I'm gonna say. So Pop Smoke had a hoodie on from them. It was the gray one. Do I have to try everything on, Shelby? You don't have to try everything on. So Pop Smoke ordered from them. He had a hoodie that was gray. I thought it was so nice. I wanted to get one too. Plus, I love Pop Smoke. Rest in paradise to Pop Smoke. I really like this. And it has the edge at the bottom it looks like it's cut. I like that. I like this color with my hair. I'm keeping this on. I already told y'all it's 90 degrees. I'm keeping this on for a second though. I'm gonna open this one. I like this hoodie a lot. I think this is a black owned business too. I'm gonna have to look it up. I hope they are black owned, you know. So this next box, I'm getting hot. This next box is from Moda Operanda. I think that's how you pronounce it. So I've been wanting these sunglasses. They're Loewe. I've been wanting these for a long time. Comes in this bag. It's a Moda Operanda bag. I've been wanting these glasses for so long. I saw a stylist wearing them on Instagram, and I knew I needed them. So this is how. Hold on. Oh, it comes like a keychain. This. Okay. Of course, it comes with a cloth to clean the glasses off. This is a nice little case. But it's time to put these joints on. It's time to put them on. I'm already knowing these gonna hit. Like, so these are the glasses. They have the Loewe symbol on the side. Yeah, that's smacking. And they like kind of a clear skin. You can see my eyes. Oh, I love. Oh, these smacking so hard. I love these, G. And I really keep putting on every single thing I'm ordering. Like, what's wrong with me? I literally love. Like, I love sunglasses. That's one of my favorite pieces. Like, it got like this like elephant tusk type of look to them, where it's like iridescent kind of. Yeah, these smack. I'm gonna keep these on for a little while. Yeah, for sure. These like my last few packages, y'all. So I ordered another blonde wig. They were both affordable, and it's an Amazon wig. Like, I've never ordered a wig from Amazon before, so I thought maybe that'd be a good idea. And once again, this one was, once again, did I ever say it was affordable? Who am I to tell y'all once again? Who do I think I am? But this, oh, it says, hair in your hair. And look, the straps, they got straps. One of them broken, box torn up. Like, I'm already knowing. Like, so it's a card in here that tells you get a free gift. It says Yessie hair. Oh, this is the free gift. They gave me some lashes. And let me open up this wig. This wig, honestly, it feels very soft. Look, this is my first time ever. Like, these, y'all have seen me for the first time touch blonde wigs. Like, this is my first time touching blonde wigs today. This feels nice. It doesn't feel as thick as the other one. But this is not a wig review. I'm just here to show y'all the packages. I'm excited to try dyeing maybe this one. I want to dye like a color. I want to do a color for sure. I've been wanting to buy blonde wigs for a very long time. Like, I remember for the last 2 summers, I'm like, I'm gonna grab me one. I need to see how those hit. I opened this package up. This is the second one I opened. But look, I didn't look at the contents for real. I kept them packaged up and sealed up just so I could show y'all. Because I told you, I'm not gonna lie to you. I wouldn't lie to you. I opened it, but it's still in the packaging. This order is from opening ceremony because they are closing. They have designer pieces too. They have their own brand and they have a sale. If I were you, I would go grab what I could. I'm going to try to put the links in there, but if it's gone, it's gone, y'all. I tried. I got this one because it reminds me of like when you like those grocery bags we used to have when we were younger. Well, I don't know how old y'all are, but when I was younger, these like the pattern that the grocery bags used to be. It's pretty big. I'm liking that. Of course, I'm gonna put everything on. My last package, period, is a top I ordered from opening ceremony, and it is from a designer I really like. I love how she pays attention to like patterns and how they shape the body. I love that. So the designer name is Maisie Wilen. I told you I didn't open it. I saved it. It's for you. I knew you was gonna ask me for it. This is the top. Now I really don't like. I don't know. I only buy designer pieces that are stretchy because I'm a little curvy. So I don't buy pieces that I know are not made for me. It's not gonna fit me. So, yeah, I like that. Oh, the bottom doesn't have a finished edge. The sleeves do. Oh, it has something like for the finger to go through. I did a lot of research on this designer. So she did like gymnastics or back. Yeah, she did gymnastics. So it got like that finger thing. Did she do gymnastics or figure skating? One of those ones. I think it was figure skating. So thank y'all for tuning into this video. I still got the pieces on. Make sure you go ahead and like and comment, subscribe. I want to hear from y'all, so I really do want y'all to comment. And if y'all like the video, which I know y'all like the video, go ahead and click that joint. Click that like button, you know, and turn on your what's that bell? I mean, I'm not you, but if I were you, I would go ahead and click that subscribe and that like, and I will go and hit that notification bell, and I will for sure comment. I want to try it out with y'all. All right, bye y'all.